Papa's milk.
That's right. That is Papa's milk.
That's Papa's milk. Papa's this.
Mm-hmm.
Primes.
So good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop.
Show me how you dance. Do your dance, do your dance. Do your dance quick, James, now. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Move them feet. Get them moves. Yeah. Are you dancing with the purple bug? You dancing with the purple bug? Uh-huh.
Mama. See, look, Mamba.
Don't get me. Don't get me, purple bug. Oh, the purple bug's on my belly. Oh my goodness.
I'll put it up.
Oh, thanks. Oh, I was worried about the purple.
I'll put it up for Army.
It got on you? Here, I get it off. Come here. Oh, check it out. Right there. Oh, it's all gone. All gone. Okay. So good.
I just drink it.
You just drank it?
Yeah. I just this one.
Yeah.
It's red.
It is red.
Yuck. I don't need it.
Nope, you don't need it.
I just yeah.
I thought you said yuck. Didn't you just say yuck? Are you still drinking it after you said yuck? I think you drank it all up. Is it all gone?
Yeah, I did. What?
What hurts? You said ow hurts. What was hurt?
Yeah.
What? Why are you saying ouch? What hurts? What hurts? Show me where it hurts.
I just can't.
Oh, you keep spilling it on you?
No, I just can't.
I think it's all gone now.
I just drink it.
milk. That's your milk.
Yeah.
Is that so good?
Good milk.
I like good milk. What? Oh, what are we gonna do? The milk's all over the floor.
It's gonna fly. You wipe it.
I'm gonna wipe it up.
Yeah.
Who's gonna? I didn't spill it. Why would I wipe it up? Well, who spilled it? Who did that? Who made that mess?
James.
James made that mess. Don't you think James should clean up that mess?